One of the great things about living in the great state of Texas is the generally low tax burden. But once the government has our money, how much do we really know about how it's spent and whether it's produced the intended result? It's time to make sure that Texans are getting exactly what they pay for. It's time to introduce efficiency audits. An efficiency audit is an independent evaluation of how well public organizations are achieving their goals. Implementing regular efficiency audits in Texas will increase transparency and make sure tax dollars are being used as intended in the most cost-effective manner. Here are 4 things to know about efficiency audits and how Texas can implement them. First, using efficiency audits saves tax dollars. Recently, efficiency audits have been implemented over select agencies in Texas and have had positive results. In 2021, an audit of the Temporary Assistance for Needy Families program found a lack of oversight, training, monitoring, and strategic vision for the program. They concluded that Texas could save nearly $41 million annually by eliminating duplicate services. Other states have also realized valuable insights about statewide audits. For example, Kansas found $2.5 billion in savings, and Wyoming found $91 million in savings. Second, efficiency audits should happen on a regular basis and be binding. Aside from 2 agencies, there is currently no guarantee that an efficiency audit will be conducted for any particular agency at a regular interval. And when they are performed, recommendations from those audits are not legally binding. The legislator should require an independent, private, third-party efficiency audit of every government agency on a recurring 6-year cycle. This would inject expertise from the private sector into state agency operations, making them leaner and more productive. Third, there would be no additional cost to taxpayers. Funding for efficiency audits should come from the agency's existing resources. The savings identified by the audits far exceed the cost incurred in most instances. For example, the Wyoming statewide efficiency audit cost $1.8 million compared to the $91 million in savings that were identified. That is a benefit 51 times greater than the cost incurred. Finally, efficiency audits promote accountability. Efficiency audits should be available to policymakers before the start of legislative sessions and would complement activities like the budgeting and sunset process. Agencies that decline to implement the auditor's recommendations would be required to inform legislators of their decision prior to budget writing season, giving lawmakers an additional accountability tool. Texas taxpayers should know that their money is being well spent. Learn more about TPPF's proposal and about other issues at texaspolicy.com. We'll see you next time.